It's no secret that pickles are a popular condiment, often found in sandwiches or as a side to burgers and hot dogs. But did you know that there are actually some surprising health benefits to eating pickles every day? You might be thinking, pickles? Healthy? Yes, indeed. Pickles themselves are low in calories and packed with nutrients like vitamin K and probiotics that contribute to gut health. But it's the fermentation process that really sets pickles apart from other vegetables. During fermentation, healthy bacteria break down the sugars in cucumbers and convert them into lactic acid. This process not only gives pickles their signature tangy flavor but also creates beneficial probiotics that improve digestion and boost immunity. There's more! Research has shown that consuming fermented foods like pickles can help reduce inflammation, a common cause of chronic disease. In fact, one study found that pickle juice can even help alleviate muscle cramps and soreness after exercise. Of course, not all pickles are created equal. It's important to choose pickles that are naturally fermented, without added sugars or preservatives. Look for brands that use simple, natural ingredients and avoid those with added colors or artificial flavors. So how can you incorporate pickles into your daily diet? Try adding them to salads, sandwiches, or snack on them as a low-calorie option. You can even make your own pickles at home using fresh cucumbers and vinegar. Pickles may seem like just another salty snack, but they're actually a nutritious addition to any diet. With their low calorie count, high nutrient content, and gut-boosting probiotics, it's easy to see why pickles are becoming more and more popular among health-conscious individuals. So next time you reach for a pickle, remember all the health benefits it could be providing you.